Hi, thanks for stopping by my channel. Do solar covers or solar blankets actually warm your pool water? This is just my experience. I put this 27-foot round pool in about 3 years ago. I did not have a solar cover, and the temperature in the pool would only get as high as 79 to 80 degrees. And then this year I purchased a 12 millimeter gauge solar blanket, solar cover, and the temperature in my pool has increased significantly. Now, on typical days, the temperature in the pool is up to about 87 to 90 degrees. So that's a raise in about 9 to 10 degrees. So I've been very satisfied with this. Now I'm going to check the thermometer in my pool, and today the temperature is up to about 92 degrees, which is pretty amazing. As I said, it's been a significant change using a solar cover, solar blanket on the pool. This is a 12 millimeter gauge. They come in 8 millimeter, 12 millimeter, and 16 millimeter. The 12 millimeter said it would, typically raise the pool temperature up to 15 degrees. Now today it's overcast here a little bit. The sun peeks in and out, and I put the cover on last night. And it's about 3 p.m. in the afternoon today, so it's maintaining the temperature in the pool very nice. It's warm all the way down from the top level all the way down to the bottom of the liner, and as I said, I'm very satisfied. Now, one thing you want to do as far as maintenance on the cover is when you take it off and it's off the pool, you want to put it somewhere in the shade so the sun is not beating down on it while it's off the pool, because if you leave it out in the sun, it'll degrade the plastic on the liner, on the cover, and it'll shorten the life fairly quickly. So make sure when you do take it off, you put it off in the shade out of the sunlight. Another nice thing about the cover, it keeps debris out of the pool. I have a lot of trees on my property, so my pool gets a lot of leaves, and also I have a lot of shade on the pool. I don't get really full sun until about 12 p.m. in the afternoon, and shade starts to come back around 4:30 or 5 o'clock. So I'm pretty amazed about how well this solar cover, solar blanket is working. One other thing you want to keep in mind is you want to test your pool water weekly. I just basically use test strips, and you just want to maintain the correct chemicals in your pool. That'll go a long way. The solar cover, solar blanket itself, it prevents evaporation of water out of your pool. It keeps the water in the pool, so you don't have to fill it as often. And it also helps maintain the chemicals in the pool, so you don't have to put as much chemicals in your pool as you would if you didn't have a cover. So I hope this video helps you out. If you want to comment down below and say if you use a solar cover or a solar blanket, if it's helped you at all. Also, I have weekly videos out, so if you click the bell notification, you'll be notified as soon as those come out. And if this video helped you out, if you could give it a thumbs up and a like, and if you want to consider subscribing, that would be great. Alright, thanks a lot, have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.